Demystifying the phrase, amend. Hello dear learners. Today, we'll dive into a very common English phrase, which is amend. It's a word you might come across in various contexts, and by the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of its meaning and how to use it. Amend primarily means to make minor changes to a document, statement, or piece of legislation in order to make it more accurate, fair, or improved. Imagine you've written a story and you want to change a few details to make it better. When you make these changes, you're amending your story. To fully grasp the use of amend, let's look at some example sentences. 1. The country decided to amend its constitution to allow women to vote. 2. After receiving feedback, I decided to amend my original design to be more user-friendly. 3. The teacher gave me a chance to amend my essay to get a better grade. These examples help illustrate that amend can be used in various contexts, from politics to everyday life. Knowing synonyms can be quite helpful. Here are a few synonyms for amend. Modify. This means to make changes, often small ones, to something. Alter. To change something, usually slightly. Revise. Often used in the context of reviewing and making corrections to written work. While these words can often be used interchangeably, the context is essential. For instance, you might revise an essay, but you'd more likely alter a dress. And that wraps up our exploration of the word amend. Hopefully, this video has shed light on its meaning, usage, and context. Remember, English is a vast language, and the more phrases and words you familiarize yourself with, the more fluent you'll become. Until next time, keep learning and happy studying.